You see, it's already the WDSU First Warning Weather Alert Day. Pontchartrain Conservancy cam behind me. You can already start to see that the breeze has brought up some of that chop on Lake Pontchartrain and brought some of that water up to Lakeshore. And as we got temperatures to 29 already to Bogalusa, 37 here in town, 35 in Homa, well, you got to factor in the wind chill because those winds are up too. They are still at about 10 to 20 miles per hour and even higher gusts. Bogalusa is only at 3. That's why it's already down to 29. But we've got wind chill factors making it feel below freezing in many cases. Not much of a breeze, so not too much of a wind chill already in Bogalusa. So the eyes will be on what's going to happen in the Gulf. It is going to be a Gulf low developing. A lot of times we use that term Gulf low and you think tropical systems. Well, not in this case. It's going to be that Gulf low and interacting with the cold Arctic air. We've got rain, sleet, snow, freezing rain, and then snow. That system, at least it's not going to be the slowest moving system. If it was, it could be even worse, but at least it'll be a day event on Tuesday. Tomorrow, it's first starting with the cold. We're already under that cold alert. 22 Bogalusa, 29 here in town. Again, the magic mark where pipes begin to really be in jeopardy of freezing is 20 degrees in actual air temp. So we're a little bit above that here tonight. But the feels like temperature tomorrow morning could be as cold as 10 to 15. By 9, it's up just a cold few degrees. You can see we're under that cold advisory tomorrow morning for everybody shown here. Cloudcast tomorrow, plenty of sun. The clouds will build in late. We do top out at about 42, but that is an awfully cold day considering the average is 62. Let's focus on Tuesday. Advisories, winter storm warnings for all 24 hours of Tuesday. That's Monday night to Tuesday, the midnight hour, and then Tuesday night, midnight, and Wednesday. Here's just one particular forecast, but it really sums up what a lot of the forecast data have converged upon. After midnight, we begin with the possibility this is a sleet-snow mix first. Again, sleet are those little ice pellets that ping off the side of your house, and you're going to be in your car if you have to be out driving, but you shouldn't be. We go in through the morning hours by daybreak, still looking at a mix here in the South Shore, more snow North Shore. Everybody's transitioning to snow by about mid-morning. We've got the deeper purple, blue shades, if you see them. The darker those are, that's the heavier snow that's coming down. We transition to snow all the way to the coast as we go through the afternoon. Get to mid-afternoon, evening hours, this forecast shows we're winding down and we should be done by Tuesday night. But then comes a deep freeze. Compare that with our forecast here out of the U.S., our global forecast system. We run this 4 times a day. This has the transition to snow a little bit later, as you can see in this particular forecast, and out of here a little bit later. The forecast out of Europe has been very similar here too. High-end snowfall totals, not completely out of question, but these are higher end right now that I've seen. And these are a little bit above even some of those higher numbers, but 6 and 7 and 8 you can see. Forecast out of the U.S., one of our workhorse best forecasts is much lower, 2, 3, and 4, but that notes that sleet mix that's coming in with the snow. Forecast out of Europe, a little bit higher, 4, but that's right in range with our 2 to 4 inch here, I-10 corridor, 3 to 6 North Shore, 1 to 3 north, and 1 to 3 south. However, what's been trending lately is higher end, maybe 5 to 6 widespread North Shore and a higher end 3 to 4 through our I-10 corridor. The timing, after midnight, early morning hours, and after daybreak, the farther east you go. And then the final part of this is we're going to be putting in a deep freeze going in from Tuesday going into Wednesday. Parish by parish breakdown. 3 to 6, mostly snow, some sleet for the North Shore. River parishes, 2 to 3 to 4, snow and some sleet contamination. We get down to the bayou parishes, 1 to 3, fewer totals, some snow and sleet and even the freezing rain mixing in. Metro, 3 to 4, with mainly snow, some sleet mixing in at onset, and even all the way to the coast now, we could be getting up to 1 inch of wintry precipitation. Then comes the deep freeze going into Wednesday morning. Actual lows, teens, 20s, and even colder than that. So everything that had fallen could freeze up into nasty ice that's all building up Wednesday morning. WDSU First Warning Weather 7-day, alert days through Friday. We got the snow beginning late Monday night to Tuesday, not ending until Tuesday night. Again, widespread totals of over 2 inches region-wide.